Hello again. Today, we will learn about HyperParameter. Importance of achieving accuracy. We will see what factors affect accuracy. And one small practical, which you too can implement on your system. As you all know, achieving accuracy for any machine learning model is very important. Deep learning using neural network architecture gives maximum accuracy for most of the datasets. It is very difficult to achieve accuracy, but using some tricks we can make it simple. The key challenge in deep learning is building the proper neural network architecture. It involves selecting on proper learning rate, number of epochs, selecting number of hidden layers, then number of neurons in each layer, and the activation function we will be using. These all parameters are nothing but called as hyperparameter. Hyperparameters are important because they directly control the behavior of the training algorithm and have a significant impact on the performance of the model as being trained. A good choice of hyperparameters can really make an algorithm shine. Look at the following program. It is a simple program for deep learning, which imports some wine dataset. Dataset contains the contents in wine. See here the learning rate assigned is 0.001, which could have been anything. The epoch here is 400, that too could vary. These intermediate layers and number of neurons in each layer, both are key hyperparameter. It affects the accuracy a lot. We have used softmax as an activation function, but there are multiple choices. Let us now discuss about these intermediate layers. Before watching next part of this video, I suggest you to go through my last video, whose link is shared in the comments section below. Now listen carefully. As we discussed that selecting number of hidden layers and number of neurons in each individual hidden layer is very important. Likewise, for achieving the best architecture, it is good practice to try all possible combinations, like take 2 hidden layers, vary some neurons in each layer, then later try changing number of hidden layers. Likewise, taking all such combination will surely give the most perfect result for the dataset. I am not saying that getting most perfect result is to have the accuracy of more than 80%, as if your dataset is capable of getting maximum accuracy of 75%, you can never achieve 80% or more accuracy. As I said that it is a good practice to try all the combinations of number of hidden layers and neurons in them. You might think to write a program where you can try all the combinations using for loops, as nested for loops and all. Doing so can easily create thousands of architectures, and testing them all will make it easy to select best combination of layers and neurons in them. But the challenge is, once you add dense layer one by one and compile your first combination, your Python program will give you error for trying on your second combination, as in backend dense neural network is already exist and you cannot overwrite it. To overcome this, I wrote a program which will create multiple .py programs, each having different combination, and can run them of all by one, and will maintain final accuracy of each program. After all the combinations are tested, the best obtained accuracy architecture details could be found. Another challenge is as we are trying thousands of combinations, your program may take days to complete execution, so you should run them on cloud. Right now, I will show you how to run them on Docker container. The reason I am using Docker container is that I can easily install new full-fledged operating system with all the libraries pre-installed and will just take a second to come up. Once it will come up, we will run one.py program, and after 1 or 2 days it will email us the complete log with best architecture of neural network. Let us see how this all is done. This is my Windows 10 installed here. I have installed Oracle Virtual Machine here, that is in my Windows 10. In Oracle VM, I have installed Red Hat 8, a Linux-based operating system. In this Red Hat I have Docker and Docker container on top of it. The complete individual OS will be running after performing following step. You need to run this command in Docker container. To get this command, go on Docker Hub and type devwrat, then copy and paste it in Docker container. Note that before executing this command you should have 1.5 GB data available. Its size is so large as it have all the machine learning libraries installed in it. I have pasted one.py program and dataset.csv file in Red Hat OS in folder named HyperParameter. Then run these all the commands one by one, and now this program will run for 1 to 2 days in your laptop. Once it will complete executing, you will receive an email. Let us see an email which we have just received. So you can see here a new email. Let us open it. And we can see that the maximum accuracy obtained is 92.9%. We can also see the detailed architecture of neural network on which this accuracy is obtained. We can also see the complete log file attached to the mail. Now we will go through what all is there in the file. So this is the complete log collected after execution of 2 days. This is the start time of execution of our program. After scrolling down, we can find that there are around 7,000 combinations tried by our program, and this is the time when it ends its execution, that is around 2 complete days. Now we will sort the accuracy column based on largest first. You can see the same which was mentioned in the email. Developers may also like top 5 to 10 neural network architectures, so it is always good to maintain a complete log. I have attached program folder in comments section. Do put your email ID and password and code while execution. Thank you. Have a nice day.